Welcome back, and in this video we'll look at some additional functionalities to the Modify 3D Path feature. So for this video I've recreated the 3D path from before, which involved the excavator moving along that 4-point path. And we're going to use the Modify 3D Path feature. However, we're going to notice that the center is at about halfway through the bounding box of the element. So if you want to rotate that equipment, it'll be rotating about that center. If we wanted to change that, I'll go to one of the keyframes by using the toggle keys. If we wanted to change that to the actual center of the equipment, we'd have to use the Ctrl key. And if we change that by holding the Ctrl key, now the equipment can rotate about the center. However, we have to capture the keyframe to save that. So if you click on Capture Keyframe and we look at it now it's rotating about the center of that equipment. And this will help a lot for later when we animate tower cranes, for example, when you want the center of rotation to be at the center of the tower crane. In addition, if you hold the Shift key instead of the Control key, you can move the center by moving the actual equipment away from the center. And this is very useful for when you're using forklifts, for example, to carry an object using the same 3D path of that object. So you can use the 3D path and assign multiple objects, for example, the forklift and the box being moved by the forklift. Or for example, if this is excavating several layers, I can use the same path and then change the alignment along the Z direction for each layer. And that also applies when you capture keyframe. So in the next video, we'll have a challenge where you actually animate a forklift as well as a tower crane using what we just learned.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.